Welcome to this week's edition of Fingerprinting Gurus. I am Tommy Watkins, your instructor, here for a new and exciting topic. Before diving into this week's subject matter, I kindly request that you support our content by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Our content aims to assist you in advancing your entrepreneur ventures, particularly in the ink card fingerprinting business and the mobile ink card fingerprinting industry. Without further ado, let us explore this week's topic: expired fingerprint cards. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. If you find yourself dealing with expired fingerprint cards, it's essential to take proactive steps to rectify the situation. Here's a comprehensive way on how to handle expired fingerprint cards. First, you want to check the expiration date. Examine the fingerprint card to determine the exact expiration date. Be aware that different agencies or organizations may have various policies regarding the acceptance of expired cards. Next, understand agency policies. Contact the specific agency or organization requiring that the fingerprints and inquire about the policies regarding expired cards. Some agencies may have a grace period while others may require fresh fingerprints. Next, schedule a new fingerprinting appointment. If the agency does not accept expired cards, schedule a new fingerprinting appointment. Ensure that the new fingerprints are taken following the current approved procedure. Next, keep a copy for reference. Retain a copy or take a clear image of the expired fingerprint card for your records. This may be useful for reference or in case that the agency needs to verify your previous submission. Next, draft an explanation. Include a cover letter or note an explanation that the situation with the expired card when submitting a new fingerprint. Be transparent about the expiration and express your commitment to compliance. Next, provide additional documentation. Include any additional documentation that may support your case, such as proof of communication with the agency, a copy of the expired card, or any other relevant information. Next, you want to follow up with the agency. After submitting the new fingerprint and documentation, follow up with the agency to ensure they receive the updated information. Seek confirmation that your submission aligns with their requirements. Learn from the experience. Use the situation as an opportunity to stay proactive, renewing fingerprint cards, stay informed about expiration dates and renewal process to prevent similar issues in the future. Stay informed about the regulations. Regularly check for updated or changes in regulations related to fingerprinting requirements. Agency may revise their policies and will stay informed, will help you navigate changes effectively. Next, establish renewal schedules. Set up a renewal schedule to ensure that you are proactive in updating your fingerprint cards before they expire. They can help you avoid last-minute issues and ensure compliance with agency requirements. By following these steps, ladies and gentlemen, you can address the challenges of dealing with expired fingerprint cards effectively, increasing the likelihood of a successful submission to agencies or organizations. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this content.